The NASA's Opportunity rover landed on Mars on 25 January 2004 at the Meridiani Planum, but unfortunately it cannot survive the dust storm on the red planet and eventually got buried in the Martian sands. But what has happened to the dead body of this rover is not known yet. Stay tuned to know what happened to the dead body of the demise rover. In 2018, the solar panel of the rover ran out of battery and the rover was struck by a dust storm on the red planet. And the last signal came back to the NASA headquarter that the far-off explorer is no more. But the most important question that the scientists have to answer is that, if the rover's body is still on Mars, then what will happen to its body? Most of the human-made robots and other man-made machines cannot survive in the atmosphere beyond our Earth's protective biosphere. The rover or spacecraft was also made to survive in the extreme environment on the red planet and was primarily made up of organic fibers and plastics in its body that can help it to survive in strong and harsh conditions beyond our planet Earth. There might be some dust on its cameras, sand particles on its corners and edges, and the machinery movement might also have been slowed down because of tiny dust and sand particles stuck inside the flexible moving rover. If Opportunity wakes up somehow, when the solar panels of rover get enough glare of the sun and might gets its battery charged again, then the rover can begin its journey again. But the expert says that it won't be possible because over long periods of time, dust will settle more and more on the rover. When the rover was on the red planet, moderate Martian winds tends to remove the dust off from the rover's body. But the massive dust storm caused the rover to get immobilized and get buried in the deep sand dune. Just like anything buried in the earth, have some chances of getting appear back on the surface by some climatic and other changes. The scientist predicts that there is also a possibility that the rover might get uncovered from the underground and meet the aliens that have been living there for millions of years and can find the rover, much likely the paleontologists find the remains of dinosaur fossils on Earth. As scientists are planning to send humans on Mars, there is possibility that they might find the remains or fossil of Opportunity. But that's a long way to go.